Hello everyone, welcome to another video from the Learnix Center. Today I had a very interesting conversation with one of our new students. He came to the United States recently. He is 35 years old and he is insurance specialist he was insurance specialist in his country, actually high-level insurance specialist. He's 35 years old and he always wanted to be in IT space. As a matter of fact, his father is an IT engineer, and he always encouraged him to look at IT seriously. When he came to the US, he realized that in America, it's much better to be an IT specialist, and that's why he came to our center. And he asked very interesting specific questions. One question was, I'm 35 years old. Is it too late to be an IT specialist? Would I be able to find a job? Or perhaps American employers would prefer to hire somebody younger. And since I'm quote unquote old, would I be able to learn the material? Well, obviously I had to tell him that it's illegal in the United States to discriminate based on age, and of course it's not too late for him to learn. I don't think it's late to learn at any age. As a matter of fact, it's good to learn new things. And also I told him that in the United States we have a severe shortage of IT professionals. So definitely his chances of finding a job are excellent. The reason he came to us is that he already has an excellent education and he is very smart, and he doesn't want to spend another, 100,000 or so on another 4-year degree or 5-year degree or anything like that. He thinks that he would be able to utilize his existing educational base and transition into IT, which is right. And definitely we have a unique process and a unique course designed just for such situations. And I told him that we will help him to transition. And I don't think that it's late for him or anybody else for that matter to learn new things. What do you think? Provide us with your comments. Do you think that it's too late at 35 years old to learn IT? Is it too late to go for a new job, for a new career? I don't think so. People change careers much later in life and are very successful. We see students at our center, they come from all walks of life and all age groups, and they become very successful. As a matter of fact, I introduced him to several of our graduates who are much older than him, and they're very successful. So I refuse to believe that age could be an obstacle in somebody's career path. So what do you think? Give us your comments. Come and talk to us, and we'll be happy to sit down and analyze the process with you and see if a career change is right for you at this point. I look forward to hearing from you and seeing you at our center. Thank you.